Hello, in front of me I've got Volkswagen Passat. In this video I'll show you how to set navigation destination. To set navigation destination, take a look at the screen display and go to navigation and new destinations. Here enter country, city and street. Tap start and it's done. Select preferred route and the navigation is set. To disable it, tap route and stop. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.